This podcast is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered or interpreted as legal or professional advice.
Hi everyone, I'm Mika Domingo, and this is Mika Minutes, Episode 1. What do you do when your loved one is incapacitated? A significant number of our clients are senior citizens or individuals who are part-time or full-time caregivers for their parents or grandparents. The demographic that we serve is uniquely susceptible to degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, or other dementias, which makes it difficult for them to make decisions regarding their health or finances. Did you know that according to a 2023 report by the Alzheimer's Association, an estimated 6.7 million Americans are living with Alzheimer's? As the size of the U.S. population aged 65 and older continues to grow, so too will the number and proportion of Americans with Alzheimer's or other dementias. Within California alone, an estimated 720,000 people live with Alzheimer's and an estimated 116,900 people live with Parkinson's disease. As these numbers continue to increase, do you know who's at risk for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or other dementia-related illnesses? Racial and ethnic groups that have historically experienced significant generational trauma, discrimination, and socioeconomic hardship have an increased risk for chronic conditions such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes that are associated with higher dementia risk. Statistically, within the United States, Black or Hispanic older adults are disproportionately more likely than white older adults to have Alzheimer's or other dementias. Because dementia diseases are progressive, it is important to make plans as early in the diagnosis process as possible. When your loved one is unable to make decisions on their own, what can you do to help them manage their finances and healthcare? Early planning will ensure that your loved one is able to fully participate and clearly express their wishes and understand what they're doing. A person who is in the early stages of the disease and still has capacity can voluntarily give their right to make financial and healthcare decisions to a trusted loved one. They can sign documents giving power of attorney or a POA to another person. There may come a time, however, when your loved one's illness has progressed to a point that they're no longer able to make decisions regarding their healthcare or finances. If early planning has taken place, then the agent designated by the person on a durable power of attorney or an advanced healthcare directive can make those decisions on their behalf. However, if these safeguards have not been put in place, then it may be necessary to pursue conservatorship. In my next episode of Mika Minutes, I discuss the conservatorship process in further detail. Stay tuned.